We are here. Go down. Saturday down. With the children. Okay. That one is Bila and Joanna. And this one also with Coco and with me. Okay, hello. How are you? Oh, so this one only is near of our building. Ayan yung swimming pool sa owner yata yan. I don't really know. Maganda yung swimming pool nila. It's for kaso yung fountain yata wala yung fountain. Not yet on pala yung fountain. Not yet on. Hindi pa naka-on yung fountain. Dati kami yung building doon banda sa kabila. Yung line na yan. Diyan kami noon. Okay, so yan playground. Oh, yan. So every afternoon, weekends, it depends. Finish school. Oh. So that one is the boulevard also on that side. That one is in the another side. Okay. So more children. O yun yan yung boulevard. Kaso hindi sila naglight. Ayan si Joanna. Nag-talking si Joanna. Ibang ano naman din yan. Kaya ganun. Okay. O diba? So wala kaming ibang views. Kung hindi dito lang lahat. So si Coco mamaya i-holding ko na yan ni Coco. Okay o. Ayan o. It's afternoon time. Oh, Yela. Si Bella, ano na si Bella. So, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you to subscribe, likes, and comments. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. Happy Mother's Day to all of this earth. Worldwide pala. Happy Mother's Day worldwide. To the different countries, to the different nationalities, a happy Mother's Day. Oh. Marinig yung boses siya ni Bella. Si Bella is talking too much si Bella. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. To the different nationalities and different countries. Okay, yala. Bye-bye.
Oh, si Dada. Okay.
Ay, si bye-bye. Bye. Hello, bye-bye. Hindi na natin